Morning tube. Today is Friday, April 6th. Another week starts today, guys. Today we're coming off of a pretty crazy day yesterday. Kind of slow for me, but it was busy for the shop. So I'm well rested and I'm ready to tackle this day today. So let's get on with this day, guys. I'm heading to the shop right now. We'll see what we can get into. So this morning I was thinking of discussing, maybe doing a little update review on my Braun Series 9 review that I did a while back. I had done a review video. If you haven't seen it, check it out on my end cards at the end. I'll post it up after this video. But I've been getting a big response, and I think it's the reason being because I'm a barber and I'm using it on a daily basis. I have been using that machine every single day since I've gotten it. Kind of put away my Walh shaver. Not gotten rid of it, but because the reason why I haven't gotten rid of it, because I have a couple of customers that prefer the Walh. They actually come to me and they tell me use the old machine instead of the new machine, and I'm like, okay. I personally think that the new machine works 10 times better than the old machine, but for some reason, maybe the other one, because it's louder and it seems like it's putting in more work, maybe that's why. But they prefer the old machine. So but as far as I could tell so far, I love it. I think it works great. Leaves the hair super smooth. I mean, and it takes down stubble. So if you have stubble there, you can actually take it down with it. I mean, I'm 3 months in with it and I have no gripes whatsoever with it. I mean, it works terrific. I personally love it. I've seen quite a few of my friends that have already gotten it, and they seem to love it. So if you're thinking about getting it, I recommend it. I'll show some clips later on it when I'm using it and stuff, so you guys can get another chance on it, and we'll work from there from it. All right, guys.
Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Closing up already. I'm on my way home. I want to finish off this vlog by talking a little bit about that Braun Series 9, guys. Braun Series 9, so far I've only had it for 2 months already. You guys want my recommendation? I say grab it. It is sick. It works good. I haven't had not one single problem with it yet. That blade, the cover is going strong. I feel it's gonna last for a long time. I mean, this machine is well built. My personal opinion as a barber and as a professional, I say grab it. It's worth it. I know it's a little bit expensive, and you know, some of us don't want to spend that money for it. But if you guys want to invest in a good machine, you guys already been seeing me using it. I use it today all day. I mean, it's thumbs up. Grab it. With that said, that's it for today on another daily edition of Big L's Barber Channel vlogs. Thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, and tomorrow is going to be another busy day. So I shall be here. With that being said, hasta mañana.